what do we have? Gladius Mini S from Chasing. And now we're gonna unbox it. I was waiting for this package quite a while, and I'm so excited to open it. Let's have a look what we have inside. And inside we have a drone. I have a drone. Looks beautiful, yellow color. They had different colors, but I picked this one. Not because I like yellow, but because it's gonna be very bright and visible in water. It has 5 thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's quite tight. Okay, micro SD card is already here. SanDisk Ultra 64 gigabytes. Let's put it back. I'm gonna put it back and probably would never take it out again. Close it back. I like it so tight. Okay, the drone. It has 4K camera, Ultra HD. This part we're gonna put a ether. This is for a claw. Unfortunately, we don't have it, but maybe in the future we're gonna get it. And there, we're gonna add action camera. Beautiful. It's like a little submarine. This is for a controller, I think. Create a shade. Ooh, towel. Chasing. Actually, it feels very premium. Like microfiber. But compared to a cheap ones, it really feels premium. Have nice chasing. Yeah, I like it. Well done, guys. Doesn't feel cheap. Feels really premium. Next. Charger. Part of the charger. Let's get the charger first. Yes. Charger cable. This goes in. This goes into the drone. And this goes into controller. So at the same time you charge drone and controller. Nice. What else? This is an action camera mount. That's not gonna use it. I have Insta360 Ace Pro, which is perfect in a low light, so underwater should be a very beautiful image. This goes here. We hook a tether. And I'll show you how it's done. Some seals for later. Very handy. Cup probably. I guess it's just a spare one. Yeah. This is heavy. Cables. Data cables. How many of them squeeze in here? Okay, 3 different. The USB-C to USB old Samsung phones. For old iPhones, Lightning. And a regular one, USB-C to USB-C. We're gonna label this. This we're gonna put in the back. And feel premium as well. Braided. Ding, controller. Okay, this is how you open it. And you put up to 10-inch tablets. She probably should press something here. Yeah. Nice. think it's aluminium on this part. This is plastic. This part actually feels a little bit cheap. This part. Tiny plastic. This part feels like aluminium. I think it tastes aluminium. Okay, sticks are not removable. This feels like FT drum controller. It's quite heavy. It's not that heavy, but compared to a PS5 controller, actually the difference not that big. But there's difference. Yeah, they put a sticker on and off button, just in case. Okay, the only thing I don't like about this controller, you can't really fold it fully. So this is how it's gonna be in your back. Chasing kit could have done it a bit better. It's gonna take so much space. Plus, if you squeeze it in the back, you can break it. It's not really clever. And here you connect the controller to the drum with tether, HDMI, and USB-C. This is for a claw, which we don't have unfortunately. Okie dokie. And 200 meter. 200 meter tether. Yeah. Now if you can see, 201 meter. I picked the long one. That's because I wanted. It still can go down up to 100 meters, but it's nice to have 200 meters cable because you can go further from a coast. Yes, that's it. This is what we're gonna get. And manual. Certificates. What else inside? Let's have a look. What do we have inside? These descriptions, functions to download. Maintenance guides, definitely need to read it. Read in Chinese, there's English, yeah. It has other languages as well, so definitely read it later. Parking lists, probably what you're gonna get inside. And the main manual, use the manual. I'll definitely gonna go through it. Anyway, so that's it. This is a regular package. But in the regular package, it comes with 100 meter tether. This is 200 meter tether. So that's it. In the next video, I'm going to explain you how to use it.